Question 3. If alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation, form quadratic equations with the following roots. Okay. So to solve this, we have to split this into two parts. Alamak. So first, dealing with the old equation and the old roots. And then the second part will be dealing with the new equation with new roots. Okay, let's look at the old equation first. So our old equation is 5x squared minus 10x minus 9 equals to 0. So from here we can find sum of roots and product of roots. This will be the old sum of roots, old product of roots. So they already gave us the roots are alpha and beta. So sum of roots will be alpha plus beta. And product of roots will be alpha times beta. So the formula for sum of roots is negative b over a. This one you can memorize. Product of roots will be c over a. Okay, this part you can memorize. You will use this often. Okay. So from this equation, this is a, this is b, this is c. So b over a will be negative 10 over 5. This will give us 2. Product of roots will be c over a, which is negative 9 over 5. Cannot simplify. That's it lah. Okay. So our alpha plus beta, this one I can write here. Our old alpha plus beta is 2 and alpha beta is negative 9 over 5. Okay. So we keep this here, we'll be using this soon. Now we look at the new roots and the new equation. So our new sum of roots and our new product of roots. So new sum of roots will be the sum of these two roots, alpha plus 2 plus beta plus 2. So this will give us alpha plus beta plus 4. And just now we found alpha plus beta is 2. So we have to use this here. So alpha plus beta will give us 2 lah. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Done. Then our new product of roots is the product of these two. Alpha plus 2 times beta plus 2. So we expand this, we get alpha beta plus 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 4. And we try to simplify this, factorize alpha plus beta plus 4. We know alpha beta is negative 9 over 5, we put it here. Alpha plus beta is 2, we put this here. 2 times 2 plus 4. And we use our calculator. Negative 9 over 5. Negative 9 over 5 plus 2 times 2 plus 4. We get 31 over 5. Okay, so the general form of the quadratic will be x squared minus SORx plus POR equals to 0. This is the general form. Okay. So in this case, we just have to sub in to get our actual equation lah. So x squared minus sum of roots will be 6. Product of roots is this. So minus 6x plus 31 over 5 equals to 0. Okay. But what we can do is we can try to make the denominators same. Get rid of the denominator. Okay, we got not enough space here. I'll just erase this lah. Okay. bring all of this. Okay, so to make the denominator same, so this is not conclusion yet, we times the whole thing by 5. So we get 5x squared minus 30x plus 31 equals to 0. So this will be our final answer. That's it. Okay, so the steps will always remain the same. So first we find the old sum of roots, product of roots. We define this. And then for your new equation, you find your new sum of roots and new product of roots. Then you try to fit in this one into your equations to get the actual value. And then we fit it inside the general form. X squared minus sum of root x plus product of root equals 0. Okay. So this is question A. Next, let's try B. Let's delete this one. So the old part stays the same because we will be using this and this for the next part as well. Okay, let's look at B. So our new sum of root and product of roots. Let me write it properly. Sum of roots, product of roots. Okay. So our new sum of roots will be 5 alpha plus 5 beta. We can factorize it. 5 alpha plus beta. We know alpha plus beta is 2. So we put this inside here. 5 times 2 is 10. And then our product of roots will be 5 alpha times 5 beta, giving us 25 alpha beta. We know alpha beta is this, we put it inside here. So 25 negative 9 over 5. So you can use your calculator if you want. 25 negative 9 over 5. Negative 45. So then we fit it into our equation. X squared minus SORX plus BOR equals 0. So x squared minus sum of roots is 10. Product of roots will be minus 45. So plus minus, we just write minus. This will be our final answer. That's it. Okay. Next we try C. Our sum of roots and product of roots. So our sum of roots will be this plus this. Alpha minus 1 plus beta minus 1, which is alpha plus beta minus 2. So alpha plus beta we know is 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Then our product of roots will be alpha minus 1 times beta minus 1. We expand this. Alpha beta minus alpha minus beta plus 1. Factorize this. Minus alpha plus beta plus 1. Okay, this one we have to factorize the negative out. Why we need to factorize negative out? Because we only have alpha plus beta. We don't have negative alpha minus beta. So now we can sub in the values inside here. So alpha beta is negative 9 over 5. Alpha plus beta is 2. So here we get negative 14 over 5. Right. So So now let's fit it in our equation. Let me erase some so that we got enough space. Okay, so sum of roots 0, product of roots is this. So general equation will be x square minus SORx plus POR equals 0. So x square minus SOR is 0. POR is negative 14 over 5. So you simplify this, you get x square minus 14 over 5 equals 0. You get rid of the denominator by multiplying 5. So 5x square minus 14 is 0. Okay, done. Next, D. Last one. So D, our new sum of roots and product of roots. So sum of roots will be alpha over 3 plus beta over 3. So it will be alpha plus beta over 3. And our product of roots will be alpha over 3 times beta over 3. This will give us alpha beta over 9. Then we sub in the value. We know alpha plus beta is 2. So this is 2 over 3. Alpha beta is this. So negative 9 over 5 divided by 9. We can simplify this. Negative 9 over 5 over 9. Negative 1 over 5. This one, make sure you type in your calculator correctly. Make sure you use bracket. Because fractions in a fractions, most students will make mistake. So you make sure the top one is in bracket lah. Okay. Right. So now we got our new SOR, new POR. We can now delete this first so that we have enough space. So now we can put it in our general equation. X square minus SORx plus POR 0. X square minus 2 over 3x plus negative 1 over 5 is 0. Okay, so now we have two different denominators. So to get rid of them, we can maybe multiply with 15. So maybe that's the only number that can get rid of both 3 and 5. So we times the whole equation by 15. So 15x square, 2 over 3 times 15. You can just use your calculator if you're not sure. Is minus 10x. Then the other one will be negative 1 over 5 times 15. Minus 3 equals to 0. This will be our final answer. Done. That's it. So this is how to solve new roots using your old roots.